Hello, I'm Lucy from Kitchen Zap. Today we are going to talk about how to make British tea milk. Tea is an essential aspect of British culture as most Britons adore a great, well-brewed cup of tea. Fortunately, it's super simple to make a perfect cup of tea milk the British way, provided you have the required ingredients. One essential tip for this recipe is to ensure that your water is boiling as you pour it over the tea bags for better infusion. You can use your favorite tea bags for this recipe. Here is what you'll need to make the British tea milk for 3 servings. 3 tea bags, black tea preferred. 3/4 cup milk. Hot water. Preferred sweetener, optional. Instructions: boil about 3½ cups of water in a kettle or on the stovetop. Add about half of the water into the teapot or any steeping equipment you want to use to preheat it. Put 3 tea bags in a ceramic teapot and 3 cups of boiling water. Cover the tea and let it steep for up to 5 minutes. If it's too cold and you don't want the pot to lose much heat, you can cover it with a tea cozy to keep it warm. Pour the tea into 3 cups while leaving some space for a bit of milk. Add milk to fill the cups and stir in any sweetener if desired. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.